Hello guys. So today I'm here to talk about an error which we get unable to resolve service for type model while attempting to activate a controller. So this is related to like when we try to activate a controller by supplying some dependency injection. So if we like pass some wrong variable over there in the dependency or pass some model over there to initialize in the constructor of the controller, then at the time we get that error. So let me go, send the same thing again. So I'm actually here trying to log in. This is the login API, and when I try to log in, then I'm getting this error like invalid operation exception error, okay, which is like unable to activate the controller. So let's move to the code, and here you can see in the code here I have passed this profile here. Okay, the same thing I have passed in the controller as well, and I am trying to activate this class. So once I will go ahead and look into this, then you can see here I have passed the properties related to the profile, and cause of that, because profile is not a service, this is neither an interface nor a service, so cause of that we are getting this error. So I am just explaining the same like this thing to you, because you might be getting this error like unknowingly, because most of the new learner don't don't take this as attention, okay, and he or she might be stuck in this problem for some hours. So because of this I am just explaining this thing. So what I will do, I will remove this thing from here, okay, and I will also remove this thing from here, okay, and I will also remove this from here. So once I will remove this thing, like now we have passed everything which is services, okay, so all these things are the service, either they are calling some API or doing uh, some insert or update or any other operation in the database. So one more thing we need to check here if everything is right in the startup file, okay. So in the startup, just keep this thing in mind that never ever pass the same like model here while trying to activate a controller. So here you can see I have added here like to activate a like dependency injection in the controller. So this is the service which I am trying to inject in the using the method of dependency injection in the controller. So here this is the interface, and this is its implementation service class. So like this, because this is interface and this is the service class, so we are like injecting this services in the controller. So here you can see I have added that thing. This is the interface, and inside that interface we have defined the controller, okay. So I am basically accessing that service using this account repository of the interface, okay. So you can access that like the service using this variable by calling this variable, or you can see I have used that for doing some database access. So here you can see I have called here, okay. So here you can see I am calling this for updating the profile. So let me go ahead and run this thing, okay, just wait, okay. So I just restarted, okay. So now let me go ahead and send the login, okay. I'm again getting this because I have not restarted the server, so the project. So I need to restart the same project again. Here you can see I have started the project. So now let me go ahead and let me hit the send button to login. So now it is sending the request. Here you can see we have got the token and we are getting now the OK status too. So now we are able to activate the controller and get the expected result. So like this you can also like resolve this error. So please go ahead and do follow the same for resolving this error. Okay, thank you for watching this. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.